Change. So my name is Mark Miles, helping you become the really best trainer, facilitator, coach and mentor you can be. Now I know that was a bit of a weird way to start a video. However, today's video is all about how do you as a trainer, presenter, coach, facilitator, mentor, judge your success. We often find that people will fall into the trap of going, okay, I'm just going to show up. I'm going to go through my slides, i.e. throw up, and essentially I'm just going to walk in, do my thing, walk out, and job is done. All right. And fair enough. Okay. That modality of thought or that frame of thought is, I would postulate to say, the lazy way to think about training and facilitation, the lazy way to think about it. And whenever I run a public speaking course, my advanced course, or even my minimum course, a Cert 4 in Training and Assessment, where we introduce people to the concept of what training is, I get people to start to think about what is the job of a trainer. And once you get this reframe, everything will transform for you in your business and also your training facilitation, right? Now, here's the deal, folks. If you come to me, and let's say you want to learn how to make a great cup of coffee, right? Maybe I'm a coffee trainer. And you spend 3 weeks with me, and after the end of the 3 weeks, your coffee is still tasting as bad as it was before you met me. I would actually say, you'd probably agree with me, I'm probably not a very effective coffee trainer, right? So we need to appreciate, though, that when we're working with people, whether it is relationships, public speaking, communication, sales, leadership, whatever it is, ultimately, when someone comes to you, we are looking to do 3 things. We're looking to work with that person to help them change their thoughts about the topic of leadership, relationships, whatever the thing is. Change their thinking around the thing. Next thing, we're looking to help them change their behaviors. So when they're actually out there doing the thing in the coffee shop, or leading people, or having team conversations, or actually public speaking, or making sales, we're looking to help them change their behavior. And as a result of changing their behavior, lives will be influenced and changed. So we've got changed thoughts, changed actions, and changed lives. So when we actually think about the job of a trainer, the only way that would logically tell us to judge our success as a trainer is not how many slides we got through, not how many war stories we told our audience, not how many great videos we actually showed, but how much change we were able to effectively instill in our audience and how quickly we were able to do that. Does that make sense, folks? Hopefully it does, right? So when you are judging your performance as a trainer, facilitator, or mentor, after you leave a session, you should be asking yourself, how much change did I actually create? And the more change or shift in thinking and actions you created, the better you are as a trainer. It just really comes down to that, right? The more you are kind of willing to step outside your comfort zone, get the audience to step outside their comfort zone, and to adopt and instill new ways of doing things, that's when your business as a trainer really grows, and people see you as a transformational leader, coach, mentor, and facilitator. And that's when you can start to use that word transformational, right? It became a buzzword, but really a buzzword with a lot of fluff, right? Transformation is all about creating massive change for your audience and being able to do that on a consistent basis, right? That's why my book's called Create Transformation. But anyway, so on that note, folks, hope you got some value from the video. In 2026, let's look at creating transformation, creating change, and don't just be the trainer that shows up and throws up. Be the trainer that shows up, touches, moves, inspires, and creates new possibilities with the audience, and the audience creating new possibilities for themselves as they change their thoughts, their actions, and their lives. On that note, folks, hope you got some value from the video. If you did, like, comment, share. Let's get the message out there. Trainer's job is all about creating change in the world, in themselves, and in other people. Naturally, for the good, of course. On that note, folks, That is today's video. Hope you got some value. I'll see you in the next one. My name is Mark Miles, helping you become the best trainer, presenter, facilitator you can be. Bye for now.